Welcome to the Viddy player, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the YouTube tricks and the features of the video player. It has a very robust engine for playing YouTube videos. When you go to your WordPress dashboard, you go down to Viddy player and you can look at all your videos, and if you're setting up a new video, you click on add new videos. And when you do that, you'll first hear it says enter title here. This is just for YouTube demo, right? This is just for your references. And you can see that once you've done all of your settings, you can click on publish to make your video live. You'll see that there's some shortcode here that you can place anywhere on your site, including inside widgets on the sidebar. You'll see that there's three different options. There's self-hosted videos with Amazon S3 or on your server. There's YouTube and there's Vimeo. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the YouTube features, and it's really, really cool. You'll notice that first of all, it asks for a YouTube ID. So I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to get this Chrome browser video, and you just need the ID. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come and I'm going to put the ID right in there. There's the ID. And you can see here that you can have multiple videos, 2, 3, you can keep on going on. You can drag them around, you can change the videos. And what this does, it adds a grid style, but I'm not going to show you the grid style. And I'm just going to show you a single video, and you open that up and there's the ID there. You can see there it has a max width. What's really cool is that it automatically calculates the height based on the ratios that you have set down below. It says video aspect ratio, so 16:9, 4:3, or 1:1. So based on the 16:9 ratio, it's going to automatically calculate the height. So if I put in, for example, 854, it's going to automatically collect the height according to the ratios you put down below. Now here's a trick. If you have nothing in there, if you leave that empty, the video is going to take up the entire element of your web page, the entire element section. All right, so I can go right to the site wide if you want to. So once again, if it's left blank, it'll take up the entire element of your web page. Very, very cool feature. So I'm going to put here 854. So you can see that if I have this here, it says margin between videos, default of 5. This is if you have grid style. So if you had a number of different videos next to each other, this is the margin between the grid. Okay, so the default is 5. So we'll just leave that empty because it's we're just using a single video. Here is really cool. You can add a shadow and a border around the video with any color. Nice color picker here, and you can choose between 6 different border styles. Okay, so for example, solid, and I'll just put a little shadow in there of say 2 pixels and maybe a little bit of a dark gray. Okay, and from there it's going to be a solid border. Now this is a new feature. You're going to love this, and I'm going to show you what it's like without using this feature first. But you'll see here it says show image overlay when video pause and show image overlay when video finish. And it says here that there's an image right there. Okay, there's the image. It's a GIF, and you need to read these instructions here because there's four different images, and all you need, the default is pause image.gif. That's the white one. But if you want a black background, all you need to do is change that file name to this right here. See that? And then there's a green one. And if you want to use the green one, you simply put that name in there right there. Just replace it, replace that. And then there's a blue. So there's four different defaults for overlay images, or else you can just replace the entire thing yourself. Okay. There's the aspect ratios. We've gone over this. So here's the parameters. Do you want to have auto hide? Yes or no? This is the control bar. So when you hover over it, you want it to auto hide when you take your mouse off of the video. Show logo, yes or no? Theme is the control bar. There's a light and a dark. Do I want to have the control bar on or off? So I'm going to have no. So what's really cool about Viddy Player is that it has autoplay on Chrome and Safari, which is a hack that we've done. So I'm going to put autoplays on. Show title, no. Video quality, default. And so this is a really cool feature. It has a video start point and video end point. So I can start the video halfway into the video and have it end short, whatever I want. Show annotations, no. And this is really cool right here. This is for playing in Chrome, and I should have put Safari in there. And you can put any text you want in there, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay. Now you'll see here that the video is centered, left or right. Here's a video scroll option. So if you want to have a thumbnail video that appears when you scroll down, you simply just select this. And if you want to have a button as well. Okay. Once you hit the publish, you'll see that the embed code, so you can put on static third-party sites as well. So I'm going to take this here and I'm going to publish this. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like in Firefox right now, just for simplicity's sake. So I'm going to take that shortcode and I'm going to go right here and I'm going to put it inside a web page here. Oops, that's the wrong element. Here it is here. So I'm going to put that shortcode. I'm going to replace that shortcode with this one here. There's a shortcode. I'm going to click Insert. So let me put this a little bit back. And I'm going to save. And I'm going to show this public link. Now you'll see when I pause, watch this. When I pause, you see that it shows related videos. You see that? Well, that's not very cool, is it? That's not very good. And also, if I go to the very end, there's going to be related videos. Watch this. I'll go back to the video player, and I'll scroll down. It says, show image overlay when video pause. There, I'm going to select that, and it's going to use the default one. So there's the image there. It's the default one. All right, and it's the white background. So watch this. I'm going to update this. And I'm going to refresh. So you notice that's auto starting. So let me click pause. See that? Isn't that cool? And there's a little shadow around it that I put. I'll hit start again. Hit pause. That's really, really cool. Now watch this. I'll come here and there's the white, there's the black, there's the green, and then there's the blue. And I'll show you, for example, to get to the black, you just simply put in underscore black. So I'll just add underscore black, all right? And I'll update it. Now it's going to show the black background image. Let me just pause. Isn't that cool? I'll play again. Pause again. Isn't that cool? Now let me go back again and I'll show you the green one. Now to get to the green one, you just replace this here with green. Now again, you can create your own and put anything you want in there. I'll just put update and I'll hit refresh and I'll pause it. Isn't that cool? Then click to continue. And now I will do the, now just to show you the blue one, all right? So I just put blue in there, replace it with blue. Update. And I will refresh. And I'll hit the blue. Isn't that cool? Play again. So that is how cool a Viddy player and the YouTube features works. It has auto start with Chrome Safari. It has the pause, and at the end of the video it has a overlay, a GIF image on defaults. Hit pause. Very, very cool. And so this will make your YouTube video player great for sales pages and so forth. So you can get this simply just coming down below and ordering the unlimited for personal sites, or if you have client sites, you need to get the developer's license. Thank you.